Well, senior citizens, I'm particularly excited over this conversation. A take it trend na ubia edinano to especially to those who matters in Ghana football. Over the past few weeks, the call for Richmond Lamptey to be included in the Ghana Black Star squad. AFCON 2023-24 ɛwɔ Cote d'Ivoire no. Now the latest person out there no abetuma and also set records straight. Now one man a verdict concerning all this conversation, the writer GTV and Udini Juma why did Juma na papa veteran sports journalist Kwabena Yeboah will cover most of football tournament, World Cup, African Cup. HSA edian wa cover na ono ena asese no ode na no ato Richmond Lamptey sensem num na ono no ni position a ode aba no none other than position a yenyina ye kan bi da ewo fie ha etiefo ne ahwefo a mo wo channel so de mu nyina maka bi several times Richmond Lamptey must be in the AFCON na Kwabena Yeboah nkasa ye no ewa ha enche me de betuma ma na ochemu say sa yamfa the best player in the Ghana Premier League or say Richmond Lamptey the best midfielder in the Ghana Premier League. Therefore sa yamfa your best midfielder ewa Ghana Premier League no ankwa is an indictment on Ghana Premier League no then some kind no na me potoka krama no was we cannot go to Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, leaving the Premier League best midfielder behind. It would be an indictment on our league. Besides, Lamptey is better than some of the midfielders in the team. It shouldn't be a crime for one to play in Ghana, he said, as quoted by Ghana Sports page. So, I'll say anya bonnes will be bobo Ghana Premier League no. Now, or Richmond Lamptey and Kobia did the attempt to the Ghana League no, and enya bonnes will be bobo Ghana Premier League. Basically, he nailed it.